We're probably gonna have to pull it over here because
yeah, probably.
We moved it. Oh man! He's like, I don't want to do. Oh, see, look at that. That's no bueno. You see that when it sits there? So
oh, Dios mío.
Dios míos. Come on, why you gotta wait? This is what happens when you don't go to the gym for a couple weeks. I might be able to get it. Come on. Come on, Nitro. I hope I'm clear that. There she goes. Oh man. I gotta lock this. Alrighty, so if you guys don't know what's going on right now, unfortunately I'm not going fishing. I took the boat out to not go fishing. It's depressing, yeah, I know. But today I got a lot of things to do. I gotta get this boat cleaned and some other errands. So today I thought I'd take you guys along with me with like a little day in the life for TightlineTV. I'm gonna make like a normal vlog video, you know what I mean? I don't know, tell me if you guys like these style videos. It's something new. I just want to change it up and try this out. We're gonna be taking the boat to go get it cleaned today along with the truck because I gotta go, unfortunately, put the boat away for the winter. A couple days ago I did a live stream and talked about possibly doing hunting videos, and it seemed like a lot of you guys were pretty like for it. I also put like a poll on my Instagram. By the way, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, links down below. But I put a poll on my Instagram to see like if people would want to watch that, and literally like almost everybody said yeah. So we are going to be going to my property today. We're setting up some tree stands. We're gonna be painting some food plots and stuff like that because yeah guys, I hunt. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but we're gonna do some hunting videos. I'm not like an extreme hunter, but I do hunt. So yeah, come on everybody. I wash the truck first and then the boat? Probably. Dude, I honestly don't, I've never took the boat in this one, so like in front of me, I'm really curious if I'm even gonna be able to get out. This is gonna be fun. Dude, I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out. Like, I don't know. You know, you should always think about this stuff before you go and do it. Before you just give it a full send, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this will be interesting. Whatever, we're here. Hello. Watch out, dude. I hate how this thing starts timing down and it doesn't
even start it. Don't you hate that?
It's like
rip off. It's like they're taking your. It's like they're taking your money before you even get to use it.
Come on.
Oh. The timer starts before it actually starts working.
Down there, blurred. All right, wash is done. I'm soaked, literally soaked. We're gonna go put the boat away and talk some hunting with you guys, I guess. Or do you wanna, let's go back to my place and see what the tree stand situation is.
All right.
And then I think we should put the stand up, grill, sight in our bows.
Call Joey. Did you talk to him today?
What?
Talk to Joey?
Yeah, he hasn't picked up. I tried calling him, but.
All right, well, let's head to your house then. Yeah, boy.
Never answers the ID one.
All right, Dima's heading out. We got the truck washed. We got the boat washed. That kid in the window, that's my buddy Roman. He's one of the kids I hunt with. So we are currently headed back to my property now to where we got to set up some tree stands. Like, I haven't done anything for hunting this year at all whatsoever. I actually didn't even hunt last year. So we're kind of, you know, scraping the dust off everything. We're gonna get the tree stands out. We're gonna get our bows out. And we're gonna go throw a tree stand up. I think we're gonna lay some corn bags down, kind of get a feel for what's going on my property. And from there, we're gonna slide in our bows and yeah, I don't know, maybe grill or something. I don't really know what we're doing today. It's just, we gotta get stuff done. And we wanna get, you know, in the stand probably next week. Hopefully we can start making hunting videos for you guys. Leave a comment down below. My exhaust is gonna be so loud. Oh! Today's just pretty much a day of getting ready for the hunting season, even though We're kind of like halfway into the hunting season. We're getting a late start, but leave a comment down below if you guys are excited for hunting content. Something I have yet to do on this channel and something I haven't done in a while. So I'm kind of excited to, you know, kind of dabble into that. So, I probably shouldn't vlog and drive. You know the deal. So we'll see you back at my place. All right, so we bought a tree stand probably, how long ago did we buy that tree stand? 4 years ago? Probably 3 or 4 years ago. Bought a brand new tree stand right out of high school with intentions to use it. Never once used it. So now we have no directions, no nothing. So we got to figure out how in the heck this goes together. It shouldn't be too hard. I'm just, dude, I don't remember like if all the bolts and stuff are with it. Like we got no directions, no box, no nothing. So careful with that ladder being up like that. The thing is, I think you have that backwards. You got my guy. That's the bottom. Got an update for you. We pretty much figured it out. We got the stand right there. All we got to do is throw on the ladder. Then we got to carry it back, clean off the tree, and get her up there. So I don't know. Wasn't too bad. I think we did it right. We are headed to the back of my property right now. This is actually going to be the first year that I'm legally actually allowed to hunt my property. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and recently they actually passed it in the city that I live in. So it's game time, guys. I've been tracking deer back here for a very long time. There's a lot of brutes back here, and hopefully we can drop one. I'm like running out of breath. So I'm carrying the rest of the tree stand. My homies over there, they're being bros and carrying the actual thing back there. I'm the one being lazy. So I'm actually surprised we haven't seen deer just walking back here. Usually we see like 11 doe at least. So we're gonna throw this tree stand up, lay some corn down. We're gonna sight in our bows and then make some burgers. Alrighty, so we gotta get this guy up in here. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Like it's 60 degrees out for December. That's Ohio for you. So it'll probably be like below zero tomorrow and snowing, but you know, part of me is gonna have to say I don't think this saw is gonna be long enough, but we only got a few branches to cut down, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. I really have no idea. You're gonna want to come this way. Yeah, look at that. Film that, Dima. There's deer right there already. There's 3 of them right there.
Yeah, there's a few of them over there.
Both of you. One side of each. Ready? Just bounce it up the tree. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like it's not gonna work because those branches are right in the way.
Oh, no? I'm telling you, it's easier to just push it up forward and scale it forward.
Of course, there's a branch in the way.
All right, well, hold on. Hold on, hold it. You got it? I'm gonna grab it, go around with the rope. Hold on. Wait time.
Hold on, Jordan.
Right.
Hold on. Just pull one side. Right.
Okay, ready? Let me know when you're ready.
2, 1. Don't fuck up the fan.
I mean, it's a lot of weight. Here, take that.
Is that good enough for you?
I'll do it. Yeah, this is definitely a little wonky. Yeah, we need to pick that up and bring it like a good probably 2 foot, like to where the saw's at down there. We're up though. We're up in the tree.
It is definitely like kind of angled that way. But I wouldn't worry about it. I was thinking.
Tree stands up. We're good to go. We're gonna grab some corn bags. We gotta lay some corn bags down. There's a couple things we're missing from the tree stand that we gotta pick up, like supports and stuff like that. Probably wasn't the most logical way to throw up a tree stand, but we got it done. So I don't know. We got the boys here. We're just winging it pretty much. It's been a while. Yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna throw out some corn. We're gonna grab some burgers. Just carry on with the day, guys. Carrying on. It's about 80 pounds of corn. Hey. Yep, I was thinking the same thing.
What's that?
Should have made a bigger hole. What do you think, right here?
Great.
Trey, keep going.
We're not going in there.
Got a little food run with the boys. Halfway through the day. Hey, Dima, I'd say it's a pretty nice day out, huh?
Got the hard cases, got the soft one. Damn.
I got all my gloves and stuff in here. It's going down. Time to sight these guys in. Make sure everything's good to go. We should be done for the day. You can sit back and do nothing.
Tell me about this.
On the right side of the dot.
What do you mean? Put on the right side of the right dot?
I know it's on straight up and down. It's just you pulling it. All I'm looking for is height.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
Top left.
All right.
Oh. Whoopsies. Alrighty. Bows are all sighted in. Got all that stuff covered. Last but not least, we are actually, I'm gonna take you guys with me, see if you guys can see. There's already deer on our corn pile. So we're gonna go grab a trail cam and we're gonna go throw up our trail cam and we'll be done for the day.
Yeah, a little 4-pointer.
Well, it's been like 2 hours maybe since we put up the tree stand. We already got deer over here on our corn pile. By the way, guys, this kid in the neon green over here, the highlighter, well, I should say highlighter yellow maybe. That's my buddy Joey. He knows pretty much everything and anything there is to know about deer hunting. I'm decently new to it. I've been doing it for a little bit, but not to the extent that he does. So he's kind of the guy I go to for everything. He's like my little mentor. Even if I don't want him to be, he is. So it's just like, you guys will probably see him in the majority of the hunting videos that we do. Then we got Roman, this guy. Unfortunately, he's unfortunately he's just on the permit. So we had, it's too far gone. It was pretty much just a day. I don't know, what do you guys think? I just took you on like a daily vlog type thing just to kind of show you guys what a day is like when I'm not out fishing. So I hope you guys are excited about us making these hunting videos. This is something totally new that I'm giving it a whirl. And it's just really exciting because I get to hunt my property, which I've been trying to do for so long, and we finally are permitted to do so. So other than that, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, if you guys want to keep up to date with me on everything that we're doing, hit me up on Instagram. I always post all my stories and stuff there when I'm not on YouTube. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next episode.